Today, we're taking a closer look at Loora AI, an app that's been getting a lot of attention for how it helps people improve their English speaking skills. Let's break down what it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth using. Loora AI is an AI-powered English tutor built to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence, especially if you struggle with speaking English regularly. The nice thing is that it's available on both the App Store and Google Play, so anyone can access it easily, regardless of the phone they use. One of the biggest strengths of Loora AI is the atmosphere it creates. The learning environment feels relaxed and non-judgmental, which is a huge advantage for people who feel shy, nervous, or embarrassed when practicing English with real people. Instead of just drilling vocabulary or memorizing grammar rules, Loora focuses on simulating natural conversations. You talk with the AI the same way you would with a tutor or a friend, making the process feel more realistic and practical. The app also gives you instant feedback on things like pronunciation, grammar, clarity, and fluency. That immediate response helps you understand where you're improving and what still needs work. Plus, Laura includes daily lessons and challenges that help build a consistent routine, turning language practice into a simple habit instead of something stressful or overwhelming. Over time, you can track your progress and see how your confidence grows. User reviews across both app stores are overwhelmingly positive. Many people say it significantly helped them become more confident, especially those who felt too nervous to practice speaking with real people. If you're searching for an affordable, convenient alternative to expensive English courses or private tutors, Laura AI is definitely worth trying. It's effective, easy to use, and surprisingly fun, making it a solid option for anyone serious about improving their English speaking skills